Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Actor Rhea Chakraborty on Tuesday was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau 3 days after she was rigorously questioned regarding her involvement in a suspected drug use case that had cropped up during the investigation in the Sushant Singh Rajput death probe. She has been booked under the National Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act for illegal possession, consumption and even transportation of drugs. The drug that we are talking about here is bud, which is a curated marijuana which sells for about 5,000 rupees per gram according to NCB sources. According to the NCB sources, while the interrogation was on, Rhea was constantly denying the charges that had been pressed on her. In fact, she has been evading a lot of questions that were directly put to her, but later she confessed to have had smoked a few joints in a party that she had gone to with her brother and some friends. The NCB sources also said that they have records of how Rhea had used her credit card and even e-payment wallets to procure these drugs. The Narcotics Control Bureau had filed this case and started the probe in this drug nexus after Enforcement Directorate, that is probing the money laundering aspect in the Sushant Singh Rajput death probe, had told NCB that they have recovered some chats in which Rhea and her brother Shovik are talking about consumption and procurement of certain drugs. That is when the NCB started the probe. A team went to Mumbai and started the investigation in who are these people who are helping these two in procuring drugs, how these drugs are being transported, and who all are the people who are consuming these drugs. According to sources, when Rhea was confronted with hardcore evidence by the Narcotics Control Bureau, she confessed that she indeed had procured drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput on various instances. It is pertinent to mention here that no seizure was made from Rhea's residence when a team of Narcotics Control Bureau had gone to her residence for a raid. Sources in the Narcotics Control Bureau has also told the print that they have on record chats that happened between Rhea and Shovik and various drug dealers regarding the transportation, the procurement and consumption of bud, the curated marijuana. During investigation, the NCB then identified these peddlers, these alleged drug dealers who have been involved in the procurement, transportation, facilitation of delivery of these drugs across Mumbai city. Raids were then conducted and 9 people have till now been arrested, which includes Rhea Chakraborty, her brother Shovik Chakraborty, Samuel Miranda, who was the house manager of Sushant Singh Rajput, and another very close aide of Sushant Singh Rajput, along with other dealers. Soon after the arrest, Rhea was taken to a hospital for a medical examination and a COVID test. NCB said that since they have questioned Rhea at large for 3 days extensively, they would now not need a custodial interrogation of Rhea and will not seek the same from the court, which means that Rhea will now go to jail. In a statement following her arrest, Rhea's lawyer Satish Manshinde called it a travesty of justice. He said, and I read out, 3 central agencies, ED, CBI, NCB, hounding a single woman just because she was in love with a drug addict who was suffering from mental health issues for several years under the care of 5 leading psychiatrists in Mumbai, who ended up committing suicide due to consumption of illegally administered medicines and drugs. This investigation, NCB claimed, is in fact an attempt to zero down and bust the drug nexus that is ongoing in Mumbai, especially Bollywood, for a long time. This means cracking down upon main dealers, middlemen, the people who procure and facilitate the delivery of drugs to influential people. In fact, the NCB said that the buyers of these drugs are also on their radar. Sources also said that the interrogation of Samuel Miranda and Shovik has thrown up very important names and links in this entire drug nexus, and more arrests and raids are likely to be held in the coming days. This is Ananya Bharadwaj reporting for The Print.